afternoon. So this is my table of specification and my lesson is parts of speech. I have based my lesson to the book entitled Journey to the English for Secondary Level Grade 8 written by Angelo Clement. I have included here the I have included here the topics which are the nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, article, conjunction, prepositions, and interjections. So I have a total of 9 topics here. So let's move the time let's move to the time allotment hours. So how did I get the time allotment hours here? I have given 3 corresponding hours for the topic nouns that will be enough to discuss the said topics. Same goes to the other topics below. So ayan, I have included here 3 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours for adverbs, and 1 hour for article, 1 for conjunction, 1 for preposition, and 1 for interjection. Now, let's move on to the number of items. Here, how did I get the numbers here in the numbers of items? So the formula that I used was time allotment hours, for the corresponding topics divided by the total time allotment hours for the whole topic, which is the parts of speech. I repeat, time allotment hours for the corresponding topics, which is the nouns, and the total amount of the time allotment hours, which is here 20. I have added the time allotment hours for the corresponding topics here, the nouns, pronouns, and I got 20. So after I divided it, I have multiplied it to the items that Mr. Tan has given, which is the 40 items test. So let's try to solve it. Here, the first 3 3 as the time allotment hours for nouns divided by 20, the total amount of time allotment hours, is equals to 0.2 times or multiplied it to 40 items, and it equals to 6. So I have written here the time of items 6. I have solved it for the rest of the topics so that I can move on to the cognitive domains. Now that I got the number of items, I distributed the points in the corresponding cognitive domains, which are the understanding, application, memorization. After I distributed the points, I totaled it and got 40 as the result here. I totaled from nouns to interjection and I got 15. Same goes to the application. Here I got 13 and the memorization I got 12. And when you add these 3 corresponding totals of that cognitive domain, I got 40 here. So let's move on to the number of placements. So how did I get the numbers of placement here? As we have the numbers of items here 6, I have written here 1 to 6 and 6 again here, 7 to 12. And same goes to the up to the end of the topics interjection, 39 to 40. We got 2 here, and that's it. We got 40 items here.